Wow, good evening, welcome, Swagatam. Myself Lokman Singh once again with you today to discuss video mastery, how to create videos. So this is our second day, friends, and today we are going to learn little ahead than we have learned in our lesson first yesterday. Yesterday we have learned how to create simply a video recording whatever is in my PowerPoint presentation. Means whatever we have created on our computer, on our desktop or laptop in the form of PowerPoint presentation, whatever infographics we have put over there, we have created some text, images, some background color, some shapes that we learned to record it, how we can record it. That I think we all are aware now. In case you are not, then tomorrow we are going to have a live class. We can clear all those things in case you have some queries. Now, today what we are going to learn, we are going little one step ahead. Now, if you want to record something which is in your computer, but not in PowerPoint, now go out of PowerPoint. You have something, some movies, some video clips, some images or group of images or some series, or you want to record whatever you are speaking. This is being captured by the camera of your computer. So you can record this also. Now, how you would record this exercise to create a video? So that is so simple. You can do it yourself at your computer, in your house, at your desk, without any support of any technical person or expert. So, would you like to do it now? Yes. Okay. So, just let me tell you how you can do it. Today, I'm going to demonstrate this, okay, how you can do it with the things you have with you. You need not to require any setup, any studio, any big camera or mobile phone. No. Whatever you have in your computer, you have a web camera installed in your computer, might be in your laptop, or you have desktop, you can install it there in case you want to shoot whatever is going on. Or if you want to shoot something which is in the form of image or videos or clip that already you have on your screen, or any activity you think which is going on your screen that you require to capture in the form of video, you can do it. How you will do it? So there is a 9-step formula. And who will record it? Which would be the application? Yes, great. So I'm going to demonstrate among you what would be the application and how you can do it. It is so simple. Going to demonstrate you, and you will see this on my screen. In case you can see this on my screen now. So you are going to record it with your Microsoft PowerPoint. Yes, this is really miracle. Aladdin ka chirag. You can record your activity which is going on your computer screen with the help of Microsoft PowerPoint. How it can be done? It is simple. It is 9-step formula. In step 1, what you have to do, you have to open the activity which you want to record. What you can record? Any movie or video clip which you have on your system, you can record it simply. Or in case you want to record the Zoom activity, which as I'm doing it. So if you want to record this, you can do it. I'll demonstrate it just recording the Zoom application, which is going in background of this application, which is Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint would be in the capacity of, in the role of recorder, in the role of recorder and video producer. And the activity would be as the target to capture. So the here the Zoom activity is here a target to capture, to create a video, and your Microsoft PowerPoint has been opened to capture it in the form of video. So first activity, first step, we have to open the activity, which is Zoom here. In the second step, we have to open Microsoft PowerPoint, simply Microsoft PowerPoint, and we have opened it now. On third step, you have to click on the insert button, which is on your menu bar. You can see this is the third one after file, home, and insert. Just click on insert. That is the third step. That is easy. And for fourth step, what you have to do, you have to go to on the menu bar on the extreme right side, and you will see there one option, screen recording. Screen recording. And this icon would be there on the extreme. There is video, audio, and screen recording in the media section. Then you will get screen recording. You have to click on it. Got my point? Now what will happen on your screen, there would be one blank screen will come over there. I mean, whatever activity is going on there in a background of this PowerPoint, a pop-up menu will come over there. Pop-up menu, like on my this picture, you will see there are 5 tools, 5 commands you will are being displayed: record and some clock and select area, audio, and record pointer. So these 5 things are there. Now you will see audio and record pointer both can be clicked here to record your audio, and pointer, in case you want to record the pointer, you can select it. And the middle one, which is select area, now it is asking you select the screen area which you require to record. You can select it the whole area just by dragging any one corner of this red dotted square, or you can take any part of your screen. So I just have captured this one part like this. Then you have selected the area which is required to capture in the form of video. Now step 6. Now you have to click on this red button, red circle, record. Be ready. Now the recording is going to start. As soon as you will click on this record, your screen will show 1, 2, 3 like this. 1, 2, 3 means be ready for recording, either your action or screen action. So now, if you are going to record your action, then it should come on this in the selected area which you have selected of the your particular window. That, or if it is going to record it, the background activity which is going on your screen, then it's okay. Now step 6. Step 7. Now recording will start and the time clock will start increasing. And now you have to wait, or you have to speak. If you are speaking, you are recording your voice, your photo, or the activity which is going on your screen. Obviously, whatever you are speaking or you are capturing your photo, this is going on your screen and which is getting recorded. Now, if you think that your recording has been completed, now just go to top of the screen, and as you will go top of your screen, the main menu which had 5 commands will come down, and you have to stop the recording pressing that red button. Now you can pause that also. In case you think that you have to pause the activity, you can pause, and in case you want to stop it, you can stop from there. Now your video is ready, and as you will stop it, it will automatically land in your Microsoft PowerPoint, which is already open. It will land on your first slide. It will land on your first slide. Now, in this first slide, you can edit this video. You can trim this. You can adjust and enhance this. So there are some commands I am going to tell you tomorrow. You can adjust this, but you need not to do it right now. You just have to learn, produce the video through screen recording. You did this. Now in the next step, 8th step, it is landed on your first slide. Okay. Now in the next step, what you have to do in the 9th step and in the 8th step, you have to go to save as, go to the file, click on file option, that is on the extreme left above side, extreme left side of your menu bar. click on file, then you will get there save as. And if it is your version 13 and 2010, 13, 16 or 19, then you will get an option save as, then select the format MPEG-4. MPEG-4. If you have the older version of this, then you will not get option over there. Then you have to upgrade your Microsoft PowerPoint. Got my point? Now, after this, your PowerPoint will take some time to produce your video. It generally takes on the length of the video. It may take 1 minute or it may take 1 hour also. You have to just wait, and you can stop the activity which was going on your screen. Then your video will be produced and will be saved at the path or the location you have selected while saving. Now, if it is getting recorded, then open it and test your video. And now your video is ready. Now I'm going to demonstrate it practically. This was a theory part. Now I'm going to demonstrate it practically, how it can be done. So first thing, this activity is going on your screen. I'm speaking here and you can see me here live. So my picture and my voice both are there. Now I'm opening PowerPoint presentation. I have opened it, and now I'll click on insert button. Just a minute. I'm going to display it to you. This is insert button there. I have clicked on this is file and now insert button. And after insert, clicking insert, now going for step 4 screen recording. I've clicked on it. Now it is asking me to select the screen part and in my background. So just a minute. What is going on my back this screen? You'll see I want to select the area, only the area in which I'm speaking. So this is the small area which I'm going to record it. So now my voice and my picture both are getting recorded if I start record button. Now I'm going to click on record button. I've selected the area and I've clicked there. Now you'll see that this whole thing which I have demonstrated is getting recorded. Whatever I'm speaking about this is getting recorded. So you can record this for the time you want, for the time duration you want. When you clicked in, when you think that your capturing process has been finished, then you have to go to that particular button, go to the top, and then the pop-up menu will come down with 5 commands. Then you have to stop it there, and I have stopped it. And you will see after stopping and after stopping it, you will see immediately that your video has landed on your first slide. Now you can resize your video. In case you want to resize it, you can resize it. You can spread it over the complete this slide. And then what you have to do for the next, you can see, you can play it here. There is a play button on the top. So now you will see that you can play. In case you think you want to edit this video, you want to trim its some part of the video, you want to cut it from initial side from the starting, or you want to cut it from the last, then you can do it. What you have to do, just go to the video and right click on it. Go to the video and right click on it. Then you will get a pop-up menu. It will show you style. Means in case you want to change the color style, you can trim. You can trim it from the left side or right side. You can do it. Trim, style, start, and new comment. So this can be done here. So in case you want to do this, you can do this. Now the time is to save this. Now I'm going to save the video, save edge, and desktop, and in the form of MP-Easy 4. Simple. Now I have saved it in the form of MPEG. Now you'll see within few seconds or few minutes, this video will get recorded. This video was 4 minutes and 69 seconds. So this will take around 5 to 10 minutes to get recorded. And as soon as this is getting recorded, I'll post it for you in your group. So this way you can uh, get the video, you can record the video on screen recording through your Microsoft PowerPoint. Rather, there are so many tools to record your videos. You can do it on your Microsoft PowerPoint, and you can do it on your Filmora. You can do it on Camtasia. So meanwhile, your video is getting recorded. I'm going to demonstrate it, demonstrate the video, how you can do record it a video editing software like Filmora or Camtasia. So your video recording will take time, and by that time I'm going to demonstrate this how you can do it. Even you can do it on mobile phone. In case you want to do it on mobile phone, so in next class we can demonstrate it in case you want it. Otherwise, I would recommend that it is better to record it on computer. So now the video is ready. I'm going to display you how the video will look like now. Just a minute. I've selected video and I've clicked there. Now you see that now this whole thing which I have demonstrated is getting recorded. Whatever I'm speaking about this, this is getting recorded. So you can record this to the time you want, to the time duration you want. When you when you think that your capturing process has been finished, then you have to go to. Yes, your video has been recorded, and now, so you can see it. So I'm posting it in your WhatsApp group, which is being created for your, uh, because this is a longer video, so you can see it. And now I'm going to demonstrate you Filmora. Yes, this is a software, video editing software, which we are going to uh, demonstrate you for video editing also. Now you can see this work. You can do screen recording with this software also, and the software which are being used for video editing. So every software is capable to do screen recording also. Now here, in case you want to do screen recording, then you will see here there are so many options. There is a record button, record from webcam, record from PC screen, and I have clicked on record from PC screen. Now whatever is going on this screen, that is being recorded here. So again, there is a you'll see there is a pop down menu. In this pop down menu, if you could see here, just a minute, the pop down menu will come like this. And now I have to click this red button to start, and now the recording is getting started. Yes. Now whatever I'll speak here, so that activity will get captured by this software, and you can record your voice, your PC screen activity, both will be synced together, and then you can do it for the time as you want. Now I'm stopping it. So there is a same button, which is the button of record and stopping record, that has gone to the menu bar, taskbar, and on taskbar you can open recorder. I've opened the recorder and now I'm stopping it. I've stopped it, and now this video, in case of video editing software, the video will land in your video editing software. Now you'll see how it will look like. So this is video editing software, and this has been parked in this media bin. Now you can watch this.
Speak here, so that activity will get captured by this software, and then same button, and on taskbar you can open,
And you can export this video from here, and this video will get created. You can create this video. Now I'm going to create this and exporting this to save to desktop. Yes, the video will get start to render, to produce, and after certain time it will gets produced. So I'm posting these both the videos in your group, and now you can see how the screen recording can be done. So now you have two tools. So for this software, you have to buy this software or you have to arrange this software from outside. But for PowerPoint presentation, you need not to buy anything. I think this is clear now. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So please do the exercise at your home and post in the group. So please keep doing the assignments which are being given in every class, so that this learning can be a part of your profession, your skill, this